Well, it looks like the skid steer is no match for this 10,000 pound Atlas lift, which is great. This skid steer weighs about 4,500 pounds, maybe 5,000 pounds, and this is a 10,000 pound lift. This is gonna make it way easier. All right, let's get this thing all taken care of. We'll get the fluids changed, we'll lubricate up all the joints. Should be good fun. Stick around. Here we go. We're gonna change the oil on this thing. I'm gonna pull it back a touch because things are gonna get wild. Here comes the oil. Oh, and look at how milky it is. That needed to be changed. Wow. Oof, that's ugly. So that had oil in it. It was on the dipstick the last time I checked, but this oil is really yucky looking. So we're gonna get that, we're gonna let that drip. We'll get the oil filter off, and up there is the oil filter. Sometimes in your life, you just have to realize that you're not gonna be able to do stuff without making a mess. Now we'll just see how much oil runs down our arm, on our face. I wasn't able to find a Fram, the PH2842. It must be obsolete, but I was able to find some new old stock Baldwin filters. The seal and everything is the same. Probably a better product. Let me just go up here. You guys saw where I took it out from, so this is where I'm putting it back in. Okay. Then we'll do a quick verification that that's tight. Oh, I never did buy that filter, did I? I might have. Okay. Let's bring her down. One nice thing, it comes down fast because it's pretty heavy. And that is right down there where the oil gets filled, right there. We're gonna be putting in 2.375 gallons, right in there. And we're running Shell Rotella 15W40 heavy duty diesel engine oil. This takes 2.375 gallons or 9.5 quarts. And this is a full 2.5 gallons. So what we're gonna do is just run this until there's like 1/8 of this container left. And then we'll sneak up on it the rest of the way. I'm gonna stop there. I think we're gonna be okay. Let's get a rag. Okay. There was a little bit of moisture on this cap, but the oil showed a lot of water in it, so this will be all right. We'll probably change this oil again soon. And we do have oil on the dipstick. We just got to get oil through the system up yet. Oh man, that gear case oil looks wet too.
All the oil's gonna be wet. It's been sitting.
Yeah.
God knows how long.
Yeah, that's not the color that's supposed to be. Now we're gonna go and we're gonna drain the chain drive. Chain drive gets drained right here. So this is a, oh, this is square. Hey, you were right, Evan. It's a square drive. Oh yeah, that's gonna go. Okay. All right, what do we got here? Oh, that was tight. It's gonna go. Yeah, it got easier now. Oof, that's ugly oil too. So that's supposed to be 90 weight.
You might want to crack the fill.
Yeah. Let her glug. It looks very caramely, like a weak chocolate milk. Now we'll get some air in there.
Yep.
Did it start flowing?
Yep.
Is it still flowing? Geez, I'm gonna have to empty that. I'll bring an empty container over here. That's a lot. All right, today's a big day. We're gonna run our 90 weight oil into this reservoir to this level. So I'm gonna fill here and wait until it comes out down here. Now we're pouring 80, 90 weight oil, and I'm gonna level it into here, and I'll probably take a bungee cord and wrap this around so this doesn't fall and then I get a big spill. And we'll just glug it in till it comes out there. Should be good. If I fall off of this, it's gonna make a big mess. Okay, I'm looking in there and it is like right there. So we're really close. My funnel, I'm going a little too fast. I'm glad I put the bungee cord on there because I can fill this funnel dang near to the top. Still not coming out, but I know it's close. Yep, there it is, right there. There it is. Good. So I'm gonna put the plug in, and then I'm gonna just add a little bit more so we know we're there. That is beautiful. Ooh, that plug is not, that's not good. That was like all the way in. Well, maybe it'll tighten up. Yep, it's tightening up. It's pretty far in. Well, that's it for all the fluid changes. Next up, as you can tell by the Permatex around all the covers, I've already done the chain tension, the brake replacement, the hydraulic valve adjustment, and the emergency brake adjustment. That video is going to be a little bit longer and it'll be coming up soon. So if you're interested in seeing any of that, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And with that, thanks for watching. Have a great day.